In this video, I will introduce 5 amazing GoPro gimbals you can buy on Amazon. If you like, make sure to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. Number 5. Ikan FLY-X3-GO. Number 4. REMOVU S1. Number 3. FeiyuTech G5 V2.
Across 4 generations of action camera gimbal, FeiyuTech have been the top choice of over 2 million users in the world. With imagination and scientific innovation, we bring action camera video to a whole new level. The gimbals themselves are evolving ceaselessly. Today, we proudly introduce the G5, a 3-axis handheld gimbal for heroes beyond imagination. The G5 embodies our symbolic design language, built from highly strong aluminum alloy by precise CNC processing. For the first time, unibody motor arm is brought to action camera gimbals. The motor and arm crafted from a complete piece of metal reduced conjunctions and maximize its overall solidness. The brushless motors dedicated to handheld gimbals achieve unprecedented quietness, smoothness, and power efficiency. The well-trusted long screw fixture secures your camera firmly and allows you to install quickly even in the dark. It can fit GoPro Hero 5, Hero 4, and other action cameras of similar sizes. The all-new counterweights are introduced to adjust the gravity center for cameras of various sizes and weight. The iconic control panel incorporates a 4-way joystick and add versatile function button. A special self-timer button allows for a pleasant selfie experience. Holding the self-timer button as the camera rotates towards the user.
GoPro take photo.
Releasing it resumes the camera's direction. With Hero 5's voice control, its all-new selfie definition by optimizing design and processing relentlessly. The G5 is made splash-proof all over. You can enjoy surfing or walk by the sea with your action camera and your gimbal. This is truly revolutionary. The optimized software and selected power-intense battery extend the G5's runtime to an amazing 8 hours. You can charge the G5 with a power bank via its USB port. You don't even need backup batteries. The 2/4 screw ports on the G5 make room for unlimited expansion, with all compatible accessories to expand your ways and reach of filming. The reverse mode will inspire your low-level filming. All these enormously great features can be easily packed into a padded case for your convenient everyday carry. Connected to the G5, the all-new FY Settings app enables features like remote control, auto calibration, firmware upgrade, gimbal configuration. The fun goes way beyond imagination. This is exactly the gimbal every action camera user wants.
Number 2. EVO GP Pro 3. Number 1. GoPro Karma Grip.
Stabilization is one of those things that once you see the video from it, you immediately understand why you need it.
With Karma, we're giving you a world-class stabilizer to ensure that you get the best, most stable shots possible in the air and on the ground. The Karma Grip enables you to take the stabilizer from your Karma drone, place it on the Karma Grip, and use it for super steady, buttery smooth, handheld footage on the ground.
No matter what movement you do with your body or your skateboard or the car, it creates this perfectly stabilized image and enables someone to capture footage of someone walking and have it be the smoothest, highest quality image that they have captured ever with a GoPro. And then the Karma Grip becomes an extension of your GoPro. It gives you the ability to stop the camera, change camera modes, you can change the stabilizer's angle, you can highlight your best moments on the fly, and provides 2 hours of battery life so that you can capture any activity you're doing, and you can obviously power on and off the camera. And then furthermore, you can take the Karma Grip and mount it into the full GoPro ecosystem of mounts. So that means you can take a beautiful stabilized image by mounting it onto even the Karma case that the system comes with, or you can put it onto a bike, you can put it onto a car, you can put it onto a helmet. We didn't focus on creating just a flying camera. We set out to make a system that allows you to capture the best GoPro footage.
In this video, I have introduced 5 amazing GoPro gimbals you can buy on Amazon. You can check all the 5 GoPro gimbals links below.